Be careful with your words. Once they are said, they can be only forgiven, not forgotten. A bad attitude is like a flat tire. You cannot go anywhere until you change it. The truth is still the truth, even if no one believes it. A lie is still a lie, even if everyone believes it. If you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. I am grateful for every precious moment life offers me. It allows me to see the miracle in each experience. Challenges are what make life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. Don't chase people, be yourself, do your own thing, and work hard. The right people, the ones who really belong in your life, will come to you and stay. I hated every minute of training, but I said, don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion. The secret to life is to love who you are,